When a man tried going up a hill with his bike, he went slightly off the pavement. It's not uncommon for animals to chase a cyclist or bike out of curiosity or assuming they are a threat to their territory. This cyclist got lucky that the bull wasn't quick enough to react. When a woman went to a rage room to release some built up anger, she somehow failed at breaking a glass bottle. 100 years ago, this would have been an impossible sight to see, but this is footage and sounds from the surface of the Mars taken by the Curiosity rover that had a cost of $2.5 billion to send to Mars. In Nova Scotia, one can see the highest tides in the world, which almost looks unbelievable. Even though this man did not score the goal, the fact that he didn't was more impressive. This is a video recorded by NASA of loops of superheated plasma dancing across the sun, and for reference, those loops are bigger than Earth itself. A fearless bird was having the time of its life when a man was trying to make it go away. Florian Kohler beat his own record when he jumped pod 15 pool balls in 5.69 seconds. A runway model had a smooth comeback after a slip. At a floating bridge tourist attraction, a man got extremely lucky when his phone fell from his pocket and somehow landed to the side of the steps. Not every day we see a monkey trying to blend in with the human race. Compared to powerboats, sailboats are more challenging to break because they rely on the wind to power their movement, and to make things worse, they also have less maneuverability. Thankfully, these two racing sailboats were able to skillfully maneuver when they encountered traffic. When two storage silos had to be demolished, the engineers had a fun time synchronizing the demolition. During a Pistons vs Thunder games, two players were caught moving in perfect sync. When a man was taking a bathroom break on the side of the road, a lightning struck his car, resulting in a total loss due to the bolt landing directly on the antenna, completely burning the electrical parts of the car. Ojai is a city in California set in a valley in the mountains, so sometimes mountain lions venture into neighborhoods and it can be scary. Even though it's a myth that water or pools attract lightning, it's true that electricity can travel through water, making it very dangerous to be inside the pool during a thunderstorm. This man got extremely lucky when lightning landed while he was on air.
Oh my god, I remember a bingo!
A 1 in a billion odds moment happened when a player's shoelace got caught with an opponent. When a grocery store worker unlocked Ultra Instinct, she had asked security for CCTV footage to see it again. A satisfying moment to see is this vacuum cleaner perfectly going under the cabin. A mesmerizing moment happened when a lightning struck at the same time when fireworks went off. During a college volleyball game, a player showed next level IQ. At a zoo, a scary moment happened when a hippo tried escaping captivity by hopping over a fence which happened to be just 3 feet tall.
गया
This truck driver got extremely lucky that the cargo was completely full and heavy, allowing the truck to keep straight. This is how a seal's nose prevents water from entering its lungs. Okay, maybe next time this person will want to take the stairs. A few years ago, bottle flip challenges became extremely popular, in which one would open a water bottle with a kick, but this man accidentally took it to another level by opening it and closing it with the same kick. A very strange video captured on the streets in a city in India. Looks like two lizards hugging each other, but in reality it's a duel and they are trying to power the other to the ground to show strength. Flying squirrels are nocturnal creatures that don't enjoy light. This one decided to hide and wait for an opening to get into the house, which in this case it was a pizza delivery. In Scotland, there is a bungee jumping spot that operates at night in a remote place with just darkness of the river. And well, there is about 0.1% chance of me personally doing it. During a divorce court, a woman gave an unexpected valid reason for her wanting to end things.
Невозможно жить. Он вообразил себя Наполеоном.
Ross Chastain discovered a glitch in the Matrix when he drove against the High Line, being able to counteract the centripetal force generated by the turn to maintain speed. This man just casually became Zeus during a power line's voltage demonstration.
And then just open your hand up and pull it a couple inches away.
In a 1 in a million moment, a man casually went to fix his hair during a badminton match and somehow caught the ball mid-air. Thankfully, no one was injured, but at a red light with a lot of traffic, a scooter dominoes took place. After a man found his beach ball outside but the door was closed, he went to check out the CCTV footage just to be more confused than ever. After a man got eaten while sledding, he miraculously landed back in the sled perfectly. Cattle tend to experience excitement when they are about to be fed. This man went a little too far with a celebratory kick. When a tourist was resting by a fence next to a gate, the unexpected happened when without warning the gate opens, taking the girl's jacket with it. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys like my style of commentary on videos. Be sure to give a like if you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.